Hey guys, Namaste. I am Suyesh and I welcome you to Let's Simplify the world of graphic designing and printing. So, our today's class is going to be on CorelDRAW Interface Introduction. For that, firstly, we will have to launch our CorelDRAW software. For that, we are going to double click over the CorelDRAW icon over here. Now we can see that our CorelDRAW application is loading. As we can see, the CorelDRAW application has launched and now we are able to see our welcome screen in front of us. We can see that it's a kind of a quick start menu. Over here we can see open recent. Under that we can see our recent files that I was working on recently. Below that we can see open other option over here. We will click over it. Now we can access the files from our folders. We are going to select the file and simply click on the open option over here. By this we can open the file in our CorelDRAW. On the right side we can see start new. Below that we have two options, new blank document and new from template. Now guys, let me explain you about the templates. Templates are the creative layouts designed by the professional artists. You can use them as a base idea of your design and edit them as and when required, as they are completely editable. I am going to make a separate dedicated video on templates for you guys. Now let's click on the new blank document over here. Now we are able to see a dialog box of new blank document. Let's simplify it first. Over here we can see the name. So we can enter the name for our document over here. Below that we can see the preset destination. We are going to select custom from here. This is the size of our document. Under this drop down menu we can find various other sizes. We can select from these sizes available for us in our CorelDRAW software. Now we are going to select A4 size from here. Below that we can see the width and the height of our document. Right now it's in millimeters. On the right we can see over here there is a drop down menu to change the units of measurement. We can find various other units of measurement over here under this menu. Like this. Below that we can see this is the orientation of our document. Whether we want our document in landscape or in portrait, we are going to decide it from over here. The next option is number of pages. We can either directly enter the number of pages over here like this, or we can also increase the number of pages by clicking on this upwards going arrow over here. By this we will increase the number of pages, and if we will click on the downwards going arrow, we are going to decrease the number of pages like this. The next option we can see is the primary color mode. We are going to select CMYK from here. As all the printing process are done in CMYK mode, CMYK are the primary process colors. So we are going to select CMYK for our document. The next is rendering resolution. We are going to set our resolution at 300 dpi. Over here we can see the preview mode. We are going to select the preview mode at enhance and click OK over here. So this is the CorelDRAW interface in front of us. It's a bit confusing right now, but we will learn each and everything one by one, so don't worry. We will start from the top. Over here we can see File, Edit, View, Layout. All these are our menus of CorelDRAW, and this is our menu bar. Below the menu bar we can see New, Open, Save, Print. So this is our standard toolbar over here. Below that you can see page size, page dimensions, page orientation, units of measurement. So we will call this as our property bar. Over here below that we can see the markings over here, 0, 50, 100. So these are our rulers. On the left side of our interface we can see the toolbox over here. We are going to use these tools to create our designs in the CorelDRAW software. Moving towards the right, we can see that this is our color palette. And if we will click over this black arrow over here, let me show you. I will zoom over it. This arrow, if we will click over it, then we can expand our color palette. And if we will click anywhere outside, then the color palette will resize itself. Over here in the bottom, we can see the page settings menu. From here we can change the number of pages, that is we can add or reduce or delete our pages. Below that, here this one is the document color palette. It will show us the colors that we will use in this document. Now if we will fill this box with royal blue color, then we can see it displays royal blue color over here. Similarly, if we will fill the red color and the green color, then we can see these colors in our document color palette. Now let's increase the width of this object from over here. At the bottom we have our status bar. We can see the status of the selected object over here. Now as we select the object, we can see that the fill color of this object is royal blue and the outline is black. And if we will change the color, then we can see that now the status bar is showing the fill color as yellow. And if we will change the color of the outline, then we can see the outline color as blue and its width as 2 millimeters. So guys, this was the introductory video of CorelDRAW interface. I hope you liked, and if you did, then don't forget to like and share. I am also waiting for your views, so kindly comment. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's simplify. It will help you to develop your graphic designing skills and also will keep you up to date with ever advancing graphic designing and printing world. Thanks a lot.